Good morning friends. Today we study about area and perimeter. Area and perimeter for class 5th NCERT. Is that clear? Now you know that what do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter like this is a triangle and this is one side, second side and third side. Is that clear? Now when we add these three sides we get perimeter of triangle. It means perimeter of triangle. We get sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Let example, this is a triangle ABC and this is 12 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter and this one is 9 centimeter. To find perimeter of figure here triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Now here we know that one is 12 centimeter plus second is 10 centimeter and third one is 9 centimeter. Then total is 10 or 12, 22 or 9, 31 centimeter. Is that clear? To find the perimeter of rectangle, we should add all the sides, or we can say that the perimeter of a triangle said to be that sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Now, in this figure, we also able to find 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now, solution. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Now 8 centimeter plus again 8 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 8 plus 8 16 plus 5 21 सेंटीमीटर आपका आंसर होगा. 21 centimeter. Is that clear? Now in the case of plane figure rectangle, this is a rectangle. All angles in this are equal and this longest side is known as length and the other side is known as breadth. Is that clear? Now to find perimeter of rectangle, we should add all the sides. This is length, this one is also length and this one is also breadth. Now length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Now 2 length and 2 breadth. We know that length and 1 length, 2 length, 1 breadth and 1 breadth, 2 breadth. Now 2 is common and length plus breadth. Is that clear? इसे हम एक एग्जांपल के द्वारा समझ सकते हैं. This is a rectangle and this is 20 centimeter and this one is 10 centimeters. Now you can see that the given figure is related to the rectangle in which 20 centimeter is the length and breadth is given to you 10 centimeter. Now length is given to you 20 centimeter and breadth is given to you 10 centimeter. Then what shall we do? In that question asking that find the perimeter of given rectangle. So you have to write like this: perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, जैसा कि हमने फार्मूला अबव में स्टडी किया था, पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल 2 bracket L plus B. So you have to write here also 2 bracket L plus B. 2 bracket L. L represent length. Length is given to you 20 centimeter. And breadth is given to you 10 centimeter. Now 20 plus 10, we know that 30 centimeter. Is that clear? Now 30 to ja 60 centimeter is your answer. Is that clear? मुझे लगता है इस एग्जाम्पल से आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में आया होगा. So this is the formula of perimeter of rectangle, and we can use this formula in the given question. Is that clear? Now next topic is square. In square, all sides of square are equal and all angles are also equal. Is that clear? So perimeter of square, sum of all sides. Now side, and this one is also side. Square has 4 sides, so SIDE side, इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे S plus S plus S plus S. So we know that 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S. 4S यानी 4 side. That is 4 multiply side. Number of side 1, 2, 3, 4, and the measurement of one side, that is side. तो 4 into side we get perimeter of square. इसे भी हम एक एग्जांपल द्वारा समझ सकते हैं. Is that clear? Now this is a square 12 centimeter. Now we know that a square has all sides equal. So you write here perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. देखो ये फार्मूला आपको दे रखा है. Perimeter of square 4 into side. So perimeter of square 4 multiply side. 4, and the measurement of one side is given to you 12 centimeter. So you write here 12 centimeter. Now 4 12 जा और 12 4 जा 48 centimeter आपका इसका perimeter आ गया है. Now I think that you can understand easily. Side plus side plus side plus side, 4 side, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 4 side. तो अब आप इसे इस फॉर्मूले में एप्लीकेबल कर सकते हैं. 12 सेंटीमीटर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 इंटू साइड. 4 इंटू साइड, तो नंबर ऑफ साइड 1 2 3 4, 4 मल्टीप्लाई साइड. मेजरमेंट ऑफ वन साइड इज 12, so we have to write here 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter multiply 4, we get 48 centimeter as our perimeter of square. Now we study about area. First, area is related to rectangle L and B. This is given to you length and this is given to you breadth. L represent length and B represent breadth. Is that clear? So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, L into B. इसे भी आप एक एग्जांपल के द्वारा समझ सकते हैं. This is given to you a rectangle and length is given to you 12 centimeter and breadth is given to you 5 centimeter, and asking that find area. Now you have to find area by using solution. Length is equal to 12 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. We know that these two things, length and breadth, we get. Now area of rectangle is equal to length multiply breadth. Is that clear? लेंथ को ब्रीथ से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. दिस वन इज लेंथ, लॉन्गेस्ट साइड, एंड दिस वन इज ब्रीथ, वाइडेस्ट साइड. तो लेंथ इंटू ब्रीथ, वी गेट लेंथ इंटू ब्रीथ. लेंथ इज गिवन टू यू 12 सेंटीमीटर and width is given to you 5 centimeter. 12 5 ja 60 centimeter and centimeter square. So area of rectangle is L into B. 12 centimeter multiply 5 centimeter, we get 60 centimeter square as our area. Is that clear? एक आप करेंगे और आंसर आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएंगे. दिस इज रेक्टेंगल and this side is 15 centimeter and this side is 3 centimeter. Find area. Is that clear? So use this formula to find the value of this in the given question. Is that clear? Now we get perimeter, area of square. We know that all sides of square is equal. So you write here area of square is equal to side multiply side. Is that clear? So you have to write here side स्क्वायर. इसे भी आप एग्जाम्पल द्वारा अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. दिस इज ए स्क्वायर साइड 10 centimeter. This is given to you a square with side 10 centimeter and asking that find area. So you have to find area. Area is equal to side multiply side. स्क्वायर में दोनों साइड चारों साइड बराबर होती हैं तो 10 centimeter multiply by again 10 centimeter. 10 10 ja 100 and centimeter ja centimeter square. This is the area of a square. You know area of square side into side. So area of square is side into side. Side is given to you 10 and we know that all sides of square are equal. So this is 10. So this is also 10. Now 10 centimeter multiply 10 centimeter. 10 10 ja 100 centimeter ja centimeter square. Is that clear? Very good.